Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Shopify store isn't getting sales, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to hire the best Shopify marketing expert who can help you boost traffic, increase sale and grow your online business fast. So stay tuned till the end. A lot of Shopify owners struggle because they focus only on store design, but not on marketing. Without the right marketing strategy, even a great store won't make money. That's why hiring a Shopify marketing expert can be a game changer. They can help you with Facebook ads, email marketing, SEO, influencer campaign, and more to drive real customer to your store. So, where can you actually find the best Shopify marketing expert? The answer is simple: Fiverr. Fiverr has thousands of verified marketing professionals who specialized in Shopify store promotion, ad management, and sales growth strategy. You can check their reviews, past project, and success stories, and hire someone that fits your goals and budget. I have already found some of the best Shopify marketing experts on who will deliver a real result, from increasing conversion rate to boosting sales through ads and organic traffic. Check out the link description to see my top picks to get started today. So there are so many experts on there, so you can check there for Shopify SEO, Shopify marketing and promotion, Facebook ads management, TikTok dropshipping. So many, yeah, they are here. So you can check their reviews and their rating and basic price. There are so many cheap. Their agency, they will manage your Facebook ads, email marketing, and also so many expert in here. You can check their reviews, rating, and delivery time. Everything you can check, and everything you can check their reviews and project portfolio. They will help you for hiring expert for your business. I will check first one. He is a Shopify Kilaview email marketing expert. So he is a 102 reviews. He is a Shopify SEO, TikTok Kilaview digital marketing expert. I will promote Shopify store marketing, boost e-commerce sales, TikTok, Facebook shop. He will set up Facebook shop, TikTok shop, and store analytics, adding to plugging, Kilaview integration, lead capture, welcome flows. Only $10. So how so less price? And we also check another one. She is a Shopify marketing expert. We will check, and I will boost Shopify sales, promote its sales store marketing. He is e-commerce marketing expert. He have 290 reviews, level 2 seller, 3 order already running. She has so many project already done, Kilaview automation, email marketing, and everything. So we will check another one. So there are so many experts here for help you. You can hire anyone for your Shopify sales. Anything you can get. He is a Google Ads expert. So I will boost Shopify sales, Shopify Facebook ads, and Google Ads for store promotion. He will do for your Facebook. He will do Facebook ads marketing and Google Ads for your store promotion. So you can hire him. He only $20 basic price, and a standard price $150, and premium price $250. So not bad. There is expert, 69 reviews and 2 order already running. He is a level 2 seller on Fiverr, 4.9 rating he have. So there are so many expert on here. You can hire anyone, and you can check their reviews or last project and their portfolio. Everything you can check there. So there are, here we will check him. He is e-commerce marketing, Shopify promotion, boost Shopify sales with Shopify marketing. He already done so many project. You can check their portfolio. He already has 2 audit, growth recommendation for a sales boost, target promotion to drive Shopify traffic. Only $10 basic price, standard price is $80, and premium price $250. So you can check his last delivery about 6 hours ago. Last delivery he provided 6 hours ago. He from Nigeria. He have 20 reviews, 11 reviews. So there are. So you are serious about growing your Shopify business and getting consistency sales? Hire a professional Shopify marketing expert today. Don't waste your time tending random strategy when a pro can handle it for you. Click the Fiverr link below, hire your expert, and start seeing result. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and see you the next video. Thank you so much.